Good morning, friends. This is Umakant. So, today I'm just going to talk about one incident which happened in my life. It happens people come to our place, they visit us with a lot of expectations, with a lot of sharing of emotions which they have kept in their mind and heart for so many days. If you look at the life of the people are generally leading a lonely life. There should be everybody wants somebody in their life so that to listen to. Today the situations are like that. The wife is not listening to wife does not have any chance to speak to his husband. Husband could not be is not able to speak to his wife. He is not able to express his complete emotions with his wife. And even if you look at the children around, the children, the daughter is unable to express his complete feelings to his father. Even the son is unable to express his complete feelings to his father or mother. So what is happening is, slowly they are developing a kind of distance in the family. And even if you look at the friendship which we are making, we are looking at the friendships which are happening nowadays is completely, it is a transaction oriented friendship. People are not ready to share the emotions of the other person and understand what actually he is feeling all about. So what is happening is a person is becoming lonely day by day. It is a grave problem actually, though you have everything in house. You have the money, you have the proper profession, you have proper job, everything is there in your house. But if you look at your life, you are totally lonely person. So that is actually a biggest problem in the society. And if you just look at your friends list, it is very small. You have very few people in your life who can really understand you and who can really share the emotions with you. Do you think this is a kind of a scarcity? Apart from the other scarcities which we have in life, this is the biggest scarcity which I feel, which people are having and suffering with. And biggest problem also, you do not have a person to share your emotions. So what is it is leading to? It will lead to mental problems. People will suffer from psychotic issues. There's a reason for psychotic issues is, people don't have anyone in his life wherein he can listen to him unconditionally. Today if I tell you that, if I have to say my problems, family problems to any of my friends or somebody else, I have to think twice. Like today relatives have become so much jealous of you, relatives have become transaction oriented, and at any point of time people are being afraid to share their actual problems with even with their relatives. Actually, in a society or a culture where we are in a closed loop of a family, wherein you have a brother, you have a sister, you have a daughter, you have all the extended family, nearer family. So this culture was set up so that, people could exchange their emotions, share their emotions. It was a platform kind of a thing. So wherever you suffer any kind of mental trauma or issues, these people will come into a rescue and they would talk about how to resolve it. But today I'm telling you, the things have completely changed. And today you don't find people wherein you can really share your emotions to. So this is the biggest problem. This is the biggest issue which everybody is suffering from. This is the biggest lifestyle disorder. I would say this is the biggest lifestyle disorder wherein you don't find any person who can unconditionally listen to you for 1 hour and understand your emotions and provide a solution to your problems. So this is the biggest problem. Don't you think this problem is existing in the family and societies wherein you are unable to express your emotions to other people and people are living a single lonely life? This is quite paradoxical. The situation is quite, I feel, what a trouble society is suffering with, what a trouble human beings are facing with. And even a richest person have his own limitations, and even a middle class person has his own limitations. A girl is having her own limitations. Father is having his own limitations. Mother is having her own limitations. She is unable to express with her husband. She is unable to express her emotions with her would be with her husband. And there are a lot of issues. A son is facing the problem. Son is unable to express his emotions with his father. These all things are making a suffocation to the lives which are existing in the society and lives which are existing in the planet. So don't you think that there is a complete resurrection which is required in this kind of a system, wherein we do not have somebody to understand our feelings and thoughts. So I am thinking, I am thinking of forming something, a group like of a thing, wherein, we can provide solutions to people who are suffering from loneliness. So I am just giving an open call to all of you. Please come and join hands with me. Okay. I'm just standing besides the river and I'm talking this. I'm just calling you off. I just sign off with my email ID. If you have any emotional issues, just ping me up. Okay, I'll be ready to give you answers in my weekends. Apart from working, doing a 9 to 5 or 9 to 10 job, I would like to give my help to the society in a proper way, where I'll communicate with them over email. I may do a chart based on my free conditions. You also. This is not that why me myself I is doing this activity. I want you should also become a coach like of a thing, and you can fill the gap of loneliness of the society, and talk to them with unconditional love. So when this happens, when we build this unconditional love in the society, what will happen is this emotion burst will not be there, and persons will not feel lonely. Better than this are better than the human beings are these animals who are freely rotating, and they're having a happy life. Apart from the struggle for eating food and acquiring food for their daily livelihood, you do not find much struggle in their life. But we as a emotional human beings and evolving human beings are becoming lonely and single, and we are completely dependent on drugs to understand ourselves, to overcome these feelings and situations. So let us join hands, friends. We'll talk together, share together, live together, and to lead a successful and happy life. This so will connect with me, and please connect with me. Write me an email at surkredd@gmail.com, and tell your emotional problems. And the weekends we'll try to connect and provide a resolution to it, and work towards your well-being and strength, courage, and so that you can have this overall development in your life. That is emotional, intellectual, psychological, spiritual, and physical. These strengths have to be built in your life. And once these strengths are built up in your life, you will see a completely changed and a different person. So thank you guys. We'll see you once again. Bye. Take care meanwhile.